Hi there, and thank you for watching this. So I just received this automatic water dispenser for pets as a gift, and my cats instantly loved it. It was super easy to set up. If you keep watching the video, at the end I'm going to show you how I assembled it. Generous capacity, holds about 2.5 liters of water. I like the stainless steel plate on the top and that the water stays clean inside the tray, and very little maints on it. Now I got 2 of those sets. I like to keep one on the porch outside so there's always water available for them to drink, and then I also have one inside the house. And this is the process how to assemble it. Thank you for watching this, and I hope you enjoyed this video.